thought I'd just do a little update. I've been working on the Necromunda Gang Fortress Gang Base, and I thought this would be a good point to stop it, because I've got 2 bits in 2 different halves, done to 2 different levels. I've been basically, that's the high contrast that I started with. From the top of my air compressor, this is, so bear with me. And kind of got it to that level with the airbrush, and I sponge chipped her, and then I've just used a sponges, and I've used a AK interactive track wash, I think, so far on it. So you can see the difference it gets just with 2 processes. I was kind of thinking battleship like, so still got a lot of work to do on it. You can see you can get them done quite quickly, and I'm trying to get this done for speed is of the essence at the moment, because I want to do some gaming, so I'm trying to get it done for Christmas, and yeah, there's quite a few of us going to play now, so it should be quite cool. I'm quite liking. I think I've started to decide that I'll probably some diorama for 40k diorama in this. I quite like the kit, and I do fancy building myself a big gene stealer sort of gang base. So the idea at the moment is just to build everything vanilla like, so I can understand the kits, and then I can start doing some custom stuff. So anyways, see you later.